I ordered a lathe from China and it came in this tiny box, which in turn contained an even tinier box. It's absolutely adorable. Let's get rid of the safety sticker and see if it turns on. The literature says that it's good for soft metals like aluminum and brass. So let's start with some steel rod, 6 millimeters in diameter. Steel pasta. The lathe has successfully turned this 6 millimeter shaft down to the point where we could put an M4 thread on it. Good grief, look at the runout on this thing. The chuck isn't even remotely aligned to the center line. Well, I guess we know what these shims are for and why they included them. It turns out that this is actually a happy accident. The robot I'm building has got two shafts with linear bearings. One off-center end allows the shafts to be made equidistant just by rotating it. However, moving forwards, I actually would like some concentricity. The obvious suspect is that the chuck's jaws have been installed incorrectly. But that's not the case. 3 matches with 3, 1 with 1, and 2 with 2. So let's take the jaws out and take a closer look. Measurements show that jaw number 2 is about 0.5 millimeter longer than the other two. That'll do it. Much better. Though I had to repeat this process 2 more times before I was completely happy. So what do I think? Well, this lathe is a piece of garbage. The chuck is misaligned, the cross table is sloppy, and the motor has no speed control. But the whole thing was only $150, including shipping and customs. So I'm actually pretty happy with it. This lathe does what I need it to do, and that's all that matters.